This video chart presentation at Hanwha Solar One Company Limited. This is a NASDAQ global market stock trading our ticker HSOL. We try and find charts a lot of times that are at sort of a make or break point, base level setup, indicators trying to make a rotation, make a move from bearish positions into bullish positions. This is a chart that falls into that category. See a baseline even with the MACD tends to hold these levels, starting to make a push back upward at this point. A lot of times you hear this referred to as the fast line leading the slow line, as this 12 EMA moves much quicker than the 26. That trend back up towards zero is something that you look for. A bit of a PPO ADX pinch. We do see that the trend is losing some strength right now. This is still a pretty neutral position because you can see this negative DI looks like it's trying to actually curl back upward. But again, it's in a position right now where I'd expect this chart to try and make a stronger move one way or the other. MFI is trending right around 50, staying relatively neutral. Just recently starting to make a little bit of a push, breaking back up to the upper half of the indicator. Accumulation distribution still just kind of holding a flat line level, and in reality still trending downward, but you can see right there it's threatening the trend line. Shaky money flow trending back towards zero, buying and selling pressure is equalizing. Pretty nice look to the CCI, but again it needs to push through zero. Full stow showing momentum trying to come into the play, and the tricks just recently dropped a bullish cross. Just something it hasn't been able to do in quite some time. You can see the last bullish cross happened right through here, all the way back in the end of May, beginning of June. Again, a positive sign for potential reversal. RSIs, much like the full stow, showing that momentum is trying to come into this play. And you can see several days in here, it's had some big down days, but it has tried to put together some upward momentum. 3 straight days, and now again, yesterday was an up day. I like to see bullish engulfings truly on the bottom, not making a higher low. But this 2-day pattern can be considered a bullish engulfing. Volume's pretty decent in this stock, 886,000 shares traded. Obviously a fair amount of liquidity in it on a regular basis. That's something good. Closed up 4.7% yesterday. What I'd have my eye on with this, of course, the very bottom support at $1.82, that would be mandatory that holds. But I'd have my eye a little bit closer, right around the $2 range, as it's been established as a support level over the last few weeks. Closing at 220, that gets a 10% stop loss area. And if that can hold, that does increase the odds it's going to try and continue to push upward. From a resistance standpoint, I'd look right in through here. This is about $2.38. This is this $2 mark has been serving as support. That's been a resistance area over that same period of time. So I'd look for that to fall. And on a different level, it's a good thing because it pushes it back above this 20-day moving average, the middle Bollinger Band. If those sort of things happen, it's definitely reinforcing the idea of this finding a base and trying to make a move upward. It's going to run into some more resistance. A little bit of secondary right there, but look for it to pick up as it approaches $3. Obviously a pretty nice upside from where it is, adding 80 cents a share. Runs into some static resistance there and the dynamic resistance of this 50-day moving average. So a pretty key point for it if upward pressure does come. And if it does by chance happen to go up and hit that and wants to retrace, look for it to identify a new support level and try and put together a new higher low and then continue the uptrend from there and try and take another run at that resistance. Pretty nice looking chart at this point. Obviously must hold support levels, but it certainly looks like some strength is trying to come into this play at this point. So we'll keep an eye on it and see where it goes from here. As always, this is merely my interpretation of the HSOL chart. Thank you for watching and trade smart.